Hello everyone. In today's lesson, we're going to look at the concept of debit and credit and how to close an account. So debit is normally abbreviated as DT in BM, and credit is abbreviated as KT. So for a start, we can understand debit in this way. Debit as coming in or add on. Credit as going up or reduce. Sebagai permulaan, kita boleh belajar memahami debit sebegini. Debit seperti masuk atau bertambah. Credit seperti keluar atau dikurangkan. So over here in this example, we have an asset ledger. A ledger is a T account. On the left side is the debit side. On the right side is the credit side. So asset is computer is an asset. It will have a debit balance. On the opening of the accounting period, for example, 1st of January, balance brought down, bagi bawah-bawah is on the debit side. This means existingly in the business, they have an asset of 10,000 ringgit in computer. Same here, bank, they have an asset of, I'll explain this shortly. Bank is an asset. They have a balance of 2,000 ringgit in their bank. On the 1st of January, on the debit side, balance brought down, bagi bawah-bawah, there's a balance of 2,000 ringgit here. Okay, let's say mid of the month, the company intend to invest in new computer equipment. So, perniagaan ingin membeli komputer baru untuk digunakan pertengahan bulan January. Dan komputer baru dibeli melalui bayaran melalui bank sama ada melalui cek ataupun online transfer. So let's say the value of the new computer is 3,000 ringgit. So computer has increased. New computer is being bought by payment through bank. So computer is being debited, increased by $3,000. Double entry system catatan bergu. This computer is paid through bank. Therefore, double entry on the transaction date, 15th of January. Bank has made a payment to buy computer. So bank will be credited. So the amount will be 3,000 ringgit. Amount di dalam bank akan dikurangkan 3,000 ringgit kerana membuat bayaran untuk membeli komputer. When it comes to month end, the ledger, the T account, total has to be the same on both the debit side and the credit side. As we can see here, the total on the credit is 0. The total on the debit side is 13,000 ringgit. So the total of the ledger must be based on the higher total on both sides. So what's the missing value here on the credit side to make it 13,000 ringgit is 13,000 ringgit here. So on the 31st of January, closing date, balance carried down bagi hantar bawah will be 13,000 ringgit. In the new accounting period, in the next period, 1st of February, bagi hantar bawah becomes bagi bawah-bawah in the opposite side. It will be a debit balance bagi bawah-bawah of 13,000 ringgit. So an asset will have a debit balance referring to the balance brought down bagi bawah-bawah 13,000 ringgit on the debit side. Same here for the bank. When we close the account, the total on both the debit and credit side must be the same. Based on the higher value, the total here is 3,000 ringgit on the credit side. The total on the debit side is 2,000 ringgit. So we must close at 3,000 ringgit on both debit and credit side. So what's the missing value here to make it 3,000 ringgit is 1,000 ringgit. Therefore, on the 31st of January, end of this accounting period, balance carried down is 1,000 ringgit. In the new accounting period, bagi hantar bawah becomes bagi bawah-bawah on the 1st of February. 1st of February of 1,000 ringgit here. Now, this closing balance, baki bawah-bawah on the credit side, shows that now the company has bank overdraft of 1,000 ringgit. It's a liability. So liability account has a credit balance. As you can see, beginning of the accounting period, 1st of January, they have only 2,000 ringgit. In that month, January, they paid for a new computer of 3,000 ringgit. So the bank has supported the company with 1,000 overdraft. They have withdrawn more than the balance they had. So this 1,000 overdraft has to be repaid. Before it's repaid, it's a liability to the company. I hope you understand the lesson here. If you find it useful, please like and share. And join our tuition to learn better, learn more, and learn